Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Euro dollar monthly, I was still thinking this is either going to be an expanding flat wave C, which would bring us all the way up here, or possibly a running flat wave C, which would make a lower high, lower high, lower high. Either scenario is should lead to a really big uptrend, especially on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the weekly time frame, I think that the wave 2 ends right here. This is all wave 3, so like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and I think we're in that wave 3 of wave 3 now. I think this little move down that we're getting is a correction to this last move up, and I'm definitely watching my Fibonacci levels for more long opportunities on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the daily, we got our Fibonacci retracement from here to here. I'm looking for 3 waves down. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 waves down to any one of these Fibonacci levels and then golfing up for an entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Tomorrow we do have its CPI inflation data for the US, so maybe tomorrow will be the day where we have the end of a correction and the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is very, very clearly a downtrend over here, which I think is a wave A. I think this move up is likely a wave B. I think we are already in a wave C. Now, this does kind of have a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, but it seems way too small to be a complete wave C. I think it probably is going to pop up a little bit, but I think it probably is going to end up going down at least to the 50%, maybe even the 61%. Maybe end up looking something like that to make a more proper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So we don't really now have that breaker structure to the upside yet. So we really can't even say for sure that this is a correction to the whole move. It potentially could make a lower high, and just keep on going down. So if it does make a lower high and then golfing move down, I would definitely continue to look for shorts. If it does go up and break this structure right here, then that pretty much proves to me that this whole sensitive trend is over. I would expect to see another correction, but at that point, I'd probably expect to see at least a 38 or a 50% pullback before it ends up continuing back down. So as usual, as long as you're paying attention to structure, paying attention to price, I think you should be trading in the right direction at least most of the time. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.